Hello friends, today we are going to learn a new chapter. Before going to learn that chapter, you should know that is books of accounts. Books of accounts are divided into two parts. First one is known as primary book and second one is a secondary book. And when I am talking about primary book, I am talking about our chapter that is journal. This is our new chapter, journal. And secondary book is a ledger. So first we are going to learn journal and then we are going to learn a ledger. So books of accounts are two, primary book and a secondary book, that is journal and ledger. Okay. Coming with the chapter journal. Okay. They will give you the transactions. They will give you a transaction, and from this transaction, in a journal book, you are going to record. It means transactions are recorded in which book? Journal book. Transactions are recorded in journal book. Therefore, journal is nothing but prime book, that is primary book, or you can say original book. Okay. So what will be given in the some transactions? What you are going to do with transactions? You are going to record it. Where you are going to record it? In journal book. Journal book means prime book or a original books of accounts. Okay. When I am talking journal book, the word journal is derived from French word. It's derived from French word, that is jour, means a day. The word journal is derived from French word jour, which means a day. Okay. The journal means a daily record. Therefore, journal means a daily records of all business transaction. Which transaction? That is business transaction. In chronological order. When I am talking chronological order, that is nothing but date wise. Date wise. So can I say in a simple sentence, that is the word journal is derived from the French word which means word jar, which means a day. Therefore, journal means a daily record of all business transactions in a chronological order, that is date wise. It means the date is given up and downs, then you have to write down the transactions, you have to pass down the entries as per the date wise. Okay. Journal is recorded in a systematic manner. Journal is recorded in a systematic manner. Okay. Next, the process of recording transactions in journal is known as journalizing. Is known as journalizing. After every journal entry, we have to write a brief explanation, which is known as narration. Narration is written below the journal entries. Below the journal entry in bracket. Starting with the word being. For example, it will be written like this: bracket being and whatever the transactions are there, and close a bracket. Okay, so you should know what do you mean by journal. It's a recording of a transaction in a systematic manner, that is in a chronological order, that is date wise. The process of recording the transaction is known as a journalizing. And after every journal entry, we have to write down the brief explanation, and that brief explanation is known as a narration. And narration is started with the word being in a bracket. Okay. In the next video, we are going to start with the sums which is related to the journal.